First supplementary, Shri Bida Mastan Rao Yadav.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity, sir. The Central Water Commission recommended opening of the sea mouth near Raiduru village of Andhra Pradesh. Can the minister elaborate on whether these recommendations have been implemented, and if so, what are the details? Are there specific legal or policy frameworks in place to address interstate fishery disputes? If so, have these mechanisms been utilized in the case of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and what have been the outcomes? Despite an easy solution of dredging the side of Pulicat Lake of Andhra Pradesh that falls, why has the government not worked on the solution? Does the Honorable Minister have a timeline for the completion of the dredging works? Sir, for your kind information, I accompanied former Honorable Fisheries Minister Shri Purushottam Rupalaji along with our Honorable Joint Secretary Madam also 3 months back, just before the election. He personally spoke to fishermen of both the states, and he promised them that immediately this dispute will be resolved and justice will be done. Only the problem is this the necessary funding to dredging the Pulicat Lake. It is a government of India recommended for 50-50 sharing of the funds, but since it is an interstate project, let government of India take up the project fully and do the justice to the fishermen of both the states. Thank you, sir.
Second supplementary, Shri Bida Mastan Rao Yadav. Jairam, I will plead with you. Listen to the answer. No, let me judge it. I am here to judge it. If there will be no answer, you have a mechanism. Avail it. Every time, don't intervene. Not good habit. Not good habit. Please. If you have a right, go according to the rules. You have no right the way you are doing. Sitting in your chair, intervening every time is inappropriate. No, I don't give it. Nothing will go on record. Nothing. Second supplementary. Nothing will go on record. Soul search.
Sir, Honorable Sir.
Only then you will try to understand what I am saying.
Honorable Sir.
Yes, Honorable. Second supplementary.
During former Minister Sri Purushottam ji visit to these two states, he promised that he will talk to both the chief ministers of the respective states and find solution. But so far nothing happened, sir. Please let the minister explain on this, sir. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Minister.
माननीय सदस्य ने जो आंध्र प्रदेश और तमिलनाडु के बीच सीमा का विवाद है